Hi, welcome to YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about management. Topics we are covering in this video, we are definitions of management, concept of management, importance of management, level of management and management skills. Definitions of management. Management may be defined as the art of work done through people with the satisfactions of the employer, employees and the public. To do this, it is necessary to guide, direct, control human effort toward the fulfillment of the goals of the enterprise. Concept of management. Executive act that actively directs the human effort to a common goal. Management is the follower of the administrations. It gets a salary or a part of the profit in lieu of its services. Management does not frame politics, it only implemented the politics laid down by the administrator. Planning, organizing, staffing, motivating, directing, coordinations and control are all the functions of the management. Importance of management. Management. No enterprise can survive without management, even if it possesses huge money but best machinery, expert manpower, because without management it will be all confusions. Nobody will know what to do. Management guide and control the activities of manpower of maximum utilizations of the company resources. Managers provide new ideas and visions to the organizations to do better. The manager provides stability to the company by changing and modifying the resources in accordance with the changing environment of the society. Management helps personality development, thereby raising efficiency and productivity. Level of management. Level of management. Level of management. First, managerial or top management. Top level management consists of board of director, meaning directors CEO. Their main responsibility is planning and coordinating. Top level managers are accountable to the stakeholder and the general public. Second, executive or middle level management. General managers, branch managers and department managers are known as middle level managers. Their main roles is the directional and managerial functions of an organization. Implementation of policies and plan is per the directive of top management. Third, supervisor or operative level management. Supervisor, foreman and first line managers are at this level. Their main role is to distribute jobs and responsibilities to a variety of workers. They are directly responsible for the quality and amount of products. Management skills. Management skills are classified as: first, technical skill; second, conceptual skill; third, human relations skills. 1. Technical skills necessary for a manager in handling methods and a process properly. It is essential for a manager to know which technical skills should be employed in the particular work. Technical skill is essential for lower level management. Second, conceptual level skill. Conceptual skill are required to recognize interrelationship among different functions of the business, external forces and to guide effectively the organizational efforts. Conceptual skills is essential for higher level management. Conceptual skills includes decisions making skills and organizational skills. Third, human relations skill. Human relations skills is the ability to work with other people and reach organizational goals, and communications skills is the ability to transfer information to other effectively. Motivating skills is to inspire the people to do what the managers want them to. The managers can use positive method like reward, prize, etc., or the negative method like punishment, threat, etc. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.